Question was regarding the integration of young people so that they may live in the German society satisfied. The integration of young people. What Jamaat is doing, that they are integrated in that they are put in society, that they can live in society in a way of being accepted by society and get satisfied in their life.
If the young people are satisfied with their home, the society will be satisfied with them, and they will be satisfied with the society. If they do not find the center of gravity in their homes, they seek peace and happiness outside homes, and they become a threat to the peace of the society, and many criminals grow because of this. Then nobody takes care of them, and they do not take care for anybody else. So it is highly important that the homes are made the center of gravity of the young boys and girls belonging to those homes. If they feel happiness and peace in their homes, they will spread happiness and peace in the entire society, and the society will be happy and peaceful with their presence.